Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to open the camera on your Mac. All right, let's begin. First, press the Command and Space keys together on your keyboard to open Spotlight Search. Once Spotlight appears, type in Photo Booth and press Enter to open the app. Photo Booth is a built-in macOS application that allows you to access and use your Mac's webcam without installing any additional software. After opening the app, wait a few seconds for your webcam to activate. Once it turns on, you will see yourself appear on the screen through your Mac's camera preview. From here, you can check your webcam, test the camera quality, or use different visual effects available inside the app. If you want to take a picture using your Mac's camera, simply click the camera button at the bottom of the photo booth window. A short countdown will appear on the screen before the image is captured automatically. After the photo is taken, it will appear inside the app where you can view or save it later. So that's basically how you can open the camera on your Mac. That's it for this video. Thanks.